Ditang show, stop them, Ditang, stop them. Bro, defend. Oh, we're going to hit, inside, 5. South, in 4, on the choke, in 3, in 2, in 1, on the choke now, on the fire choke. Oh, come north now, come north. Spins, come north. Help defend. Enter. Help defend. Heal up. Help defend. Mamamatay si Inoki. Help defend. Stabilize. Heal up.
Pwede ka mag-over.
Boys, come. Stay on the ground. We're going to hit over the wall. Northeast in 5. Northeast in 4. 3, 2, 1. Over the wall now. Hit the shit. Okay, come west now. Come west. Alam nyo na yung healers Alam nyo na yung play dito You know your positioning here.
2 healers dead sa PT2.
Copy. Hold. I'm gonna fake. Hold. I'm gonna fake. Okay, hold. Okay, look southeast in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, southeast now. Hit the shit. They have 2 root ones. Good hit, boys. Good hit. Come southwest, come back. Spread. Dadali sila ng fake. Okay? Hold. Oh, we're going to hit shallow and hold. I'm gonna fake again. Spread west. Demon now. Keep demon. Oh, we're going to hit southeast, northeast on the choke in 5, in 4, in 3, northeast in 2, in 1, northeast now. Hit the shit. Oh, don't spread. Heal up. Heal me. Spread west, boys. And luwag ng west. Spread west. Take space north. Spread. Heal up. Spread your Judy, boys. Dropping Judy. Okay, we're going to hit southwest. Hold. I'm gonna fake again. I'm gonna fake. Okay, we're going to hit shallow on the corner in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Shallow on the corner. It's big. Good hit, boys. We spread now. Spread and roll. Drop your Judy. Demon while walking. Demon. Poppy pass. Heal up. Alright, we're going to engage on the middle. Hold on the middle in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On the middle now. It's big. Keep hitting. Take space southwest. Keep running, boys. Drop Judy's, boys. Wala na nakikita Judy. Hello? Judy. Come southwest now. Come southwest.
Brawl sila din.
Come southwest. Heal up front. Heal. How many DPS I have? We're going to hit north. On the choke in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On the choke now. It's big. Come northwest now. Wala na. Out. Sakit ng void, bro. Puta.
Diyan mo kasi plinay.
Kaya...
Pwede